Why is genetic variation crucial for our species' survival? Imagine a world where every person and animal looked exactly the same and responded to threats in the same way. It would be a very fragile world. That's because differences in DNA, known as genetic variation, are what help species survive tough times. Genetic variation means that each individual has a slightly different set of genes. These differences come from mutations, which are changes in DNA, and from mixing genes during reproduction. When two parents have children, they pass on different combinations of their genes, creating unique individuals. Recombination, which is the shuffling of genes during reproduction, also adds to this diversity. Plus, gene flow, or the exchange of genes between populations, keeps genetic variation flowing across groups. This diversity is important because it means some individuals might carry gene variants that help them survive new diseases or environmental changes. For example, some people have genetic mutations that make them resistant to certain infections or better at tolerating extreme weather. If everyone had the same genes, a single disease could wipe out the entire population. Without genetic variation, all members would be equally vulnerable. In human health, understanding these differences helps explain why some people are more prone to certain diseases or respond differently to medicines. It also helps in family genetic testing, which can find gene variants that influence health risks. From an evolutionary view, populations with more genetic diversity are better equipped to adapt over time. Natural selection can favor beneficial gene variants that improve survival chances. When diversity is low, like in small or isolated populations, the risk of extinction increases because they lack the genetic options to adapt. So, genetic variation is vital because it allows species to adapt to new threats, reduces the risk of extinction, explains individual health differences, and supports personalized medicine. Keeping this diversity alive is key to the future of all living things.